Hi, Joe Lawler here from SLS Custom Stainless. We are the proud new owners of Vortox Air Technology and have relocated the business from the United States to right here in the Hunter Valley, New South Wales. Recently, we've been asking you to show us your inlet caps, so today we wanted to show you ours. Here we have the SSB CLR 1670 inlet cap. This is a traditional CL inlet cap, but it has the addition of a rain shield. So this is a 16-inch diameter and suits a 7-inch tube. Now these guys are about to get boxed up because they are on their way to the USA. SLS is very proud to be the owners of Vortox Air Technology, and we look forward to continuing the tradition of Vortox for many years to come.